Are you looking for the best air compressor hoses in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best air compressor hoses that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Primefit Price 6044 Accessory Kit. The Primefit Price 6044 IC 1T1620 Deluxe Air Compressor Accessory Kit comes equipped with 19 essential air accessories and a 25-foot recoil air hose, making it the perfect starter kit for any air compressor system. The kit includes a blowgun with 4 inflation nozzles and 2 sport ball inflation needles, as well as 2 heavy-duty brass quick couplers, ensuring that you have everything you need to get started. Up next in the 4th place is the Limodot 1/4-inch Air Accessory Kit. The Limodot Air Accessory Kit is designed for seamless integration with your air compressor, making it easy for you to connect and operate. The included 25 feet PVC air hose can handle up to 290 psi, providing reliable power for various tasks. With a blowgun that comes with multiple nozzles and a needle for inflating sports balls, you'll find it convenient for different inflation needs. Additionally, the durable tire gauge and air chuck are made from premium copper, ensuring longevity and consistent performance for regular use. This comprehensive kit is perfect for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. The 3rd product on our list is the YOTOO Air Compressor Accessories Kit. The YOTOO Heavy-Duty Air Compressor Accessories Kit comes with a 25-foot polyurethane air hose, tire inflator gauge, air blow gun, and air hose fittings. The tire inflator with gauge is perfect for inflating car tires and bicycles, with a rugged die-cast aluminum construction and corrosion-resistant chrome plate finish. The polyurethane air hose is durable and reliable, with 1/4 inches x 25-foot length, providing flexibility and freedom of movement. The 6-piece standard blow gun and nozzles are great for cleaning jobs and inflating pools and sport balls. The 11-piece heavy-duty 1/4 inches industrial steel air hose fittings are made of hardened steel plated to resist rust and long-time use. Second on our list is the WYNNsky Air Compressor Kit. The WYNNsky Air Compressor Kit comes with 19 essential air accessories and a 25 feet recoil air hose. With a max working pressure of 200 psi, the double 1/4 inches MNPT nylon hose is heavy duty. It also includes a dual tire chuck and pencil tire gauge for tire inflation, and an air clean tool with 4 inflation nozzles and 2 inflation needles for pool toys, sports balls, and air mattresses. This kit has everything you need to start your projects. Finally, the top product on our list is the SARDVISA 22 Packs Air Compressor Accessories Kit. SARDVISA Air Kit provides a 25 feet repairable air hose, allowing you to easily replace damaged parts without buying a new hose. With a wide range of air tool accessories, including air blow gun, tire gauge, and more, this kit meets all your air compressor needs. Enjoy a more powerful airflow with the metal air blow gun capable of up to 150 psi. All fittings are standard US 1/4-inch NPT for easy compatibility and come with Teflon tape to prevent air leaks. And that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.